Really, what the heck is happening? That took me forever. This was from last night. It was good though. Look at how cute my new bar stools are. I got them from Nathan James and I'll have it linked on below if you guys are interested, but I am obsessed right now. Like, it added so much color to this white kitchen. Like, it looks so good and I love it. So hot. Right now I need to go to the grocery store. My car recently broke down, so that's why I haven't like really done anything for the past 6 days. Look at my nails. They look horrendous. I've bitten them up. I don't know. We need to go get some food or something. We had to put like this spare tire on my car, so that's what we have right now. But we can't go over 50, so I can't really go to the nail salon because it's an hour away. I'm stuck here. But at least we can go grocery shopping, so let's go together. And what I mean by like car broken down, my engine turned off. So I had to go to AutoZone to get a new battery. And we got that figured out, but everything happened at once, so that kind of sucked. But anyway, also if you guys couldn't tell, I'm vlogging on my Canon G7X. I finally got my 6th camera. I've literally broken 5. How is that even possible? I don't know. But I decided why not have a camera like this one again, because I kind of miss vlogging on a small camera. Before I was vlogging on a really big camera, and I kind of really miss this camera. Anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping because we need groceries, so let's go. Guys, every time we come to Aldi's, we forget bags. Really didn't switch seats.
Could I do an iced matcha with strawberry cold foam and a graham? And then a caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino, and then that's all. Thank you.
Oh, I just cleaned the car.
You guys, Caleb cleaned the car a couple days ago, and it's so clean. Like, there's not one speck, you guys. Like, spotless. You want somebody to detail your car? Get him. Caleb Purse. Where's my phone? Wait, did it fall?
Got you. Thank you.
I got a matcha with strawberry cold foam, and I haven't got a matcha in so long.
She coming down. You're gonna hurt yourself, Dave. You're gonna pull something. Wait, what? You can do a split?
And I just switched up my outfit. I'm wearing the same top, but I'm wearing these shorts, and they're from Pakistan. I got it in like October or something, and they're just so cute and I love it. So right now I need to like respond to emails, I need to edit a little bit and just get stuff done. Instead of doing it inside, I love spending time outside. It just feels so good. It is kind of hot, but it still feels good. Every time I drink matcha, I literally feel so sick. Guys, I'm cramping so bad right now. Right now we're just gonna make pasta and ground beef for dinner. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm heating up like the water. Please don't pee. Okay, now we're gonna go on a walk. I changed my outfit again. I'm wearing these different shorts. Also, this dog does not stop crying until I take her out. It's so bad. Guys, I literally need new shoes. They're so dirty. I probably just need to clean it. Don't need new shoes. But we got the keys. We're gonna go to the mailbox. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning. I do this every night, and this is something that I for sure do every night. If I don't clean, I will wake up in a messy house, and even if it's like not that messy, I still can feel it kind of dirty. Like, I didn't really deep clean. I did really nothing. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna deep clean the house. I also have some like laundry to do, to fold. Also, our current situation, I'm just gonna show you guys. Just found out that our fridge is not working, and we of course went grocery shopping today, so everything that we got had to be thrown out or stored in here if it could fit. So that's kind of what we're dealing dealing with. We went to the store, got some ice. I didn't vlog that, but it was like right around the corner. And we just put like our leftover dinner in here and just like stuff that we got, like raspberries, blueberries, and stuff like that. And I don't know, I just find it so weird that everything had to happen all at the same time. Like with my car, I really can't go to my mom's because she lives an hour away. I can't put like all the food in a different fridge. We don't have another fridge. So it had to go in that cooler and the rest had to go to the trash. So it kind of really sucked. But we're just working with what we have. We're kind of going with the flow. There's nothing we can do but stay positive, because if we just let this ruin our literal week or lives, we're like probably gonna be rotting. We can't let these things ruin our day or night or anything, because it'll all get fixed in the end. That's what I just keep telling myself, because there's always something that happens. Like it's either our washer, and then it's our fridge, and then it's the car, and it's like we can't control everything. So why even let ourselves worry? It's gonna get fixed in the end. Yeah, it sucks in the moment, but it's all temporary. So yeah, that was my little motivational speech of the night. You guys are currently on the paper towel, so finished cleaning the entire kitchen. Now I need to fold some towels that have been sitting in the laundry for quite some time now, so let's just fold all of them. We did it. Okay, this is low-key embarrassing. Last thing I do for the night is vacuum. Guys, we are all done. Now let's go take a shower because I feel so nasty, especially after the walk. We need a shower. I think it's time for the reward. So here's what I did. I'm gonna do this quietly. I'll put text on the screen. Oh my gosh. Like, I think I'm very dumb. What makes it? Okay, this is the drink for tonight. I didn't even mix it, but I'm gonna go mix it. I'm just not gonna do it here. I can't trust myself. Hey you guys, I just turn off the light and it's so much better. I'm here to tell you guys, if you unhealthy obsession and you have it here and there, it's totally okay. Also, especially when you're like doing something that needs to be rewarded after, like cleaning the entire house, like this is my reward. But anyway, I'm gonna get ready for bed now. It's currently 9:55, about to be 10. I look like I got punched in the face. I want to do a video where I try like 10 healthy habits for an entire week. I've done it for a day, but I've never done a week, and I can vlog for a week so you guys can see like kind of what I do while doing the 10 healthy habits. I definitely loved filming that video because it was so motivating, and it's of course not realistic to do 10 healthy habits every single day, but it's fun to like at least try do it here and there. You guys, I wasn't even gonna vlog today, and I decided to pick up the camera, and I'm so glad I did. It was really random, and I feel like this video is all over the place. For sure I'm gonna get comments saying that it is all over the place, but these are the days where it's like the realistic as possible as it's gonna get. This is as real as that's gonna get. Where it's days where it's not really planned out and I'm not really like trying to do things for content. It's just a day that I go through every day, at least almost every day. Of course I don't go grocery shopping every day, but when I do have things to do, I do these things. I'm wondering if this lighting is better or this one. Okay, probably this one. But like I was saying, my hair gets so greasy in like less than a day. It's insane. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. I think it's genuinely because we go on walks every night and then my hair just gets greasy because of how humid it is in Florida. So I think that's probably the reason why. But it's just so nasty and it feels like I don't wash my hair for 5 days. And in reality, I literally washed it the day before. I go in with the Colin Dream Night Serum. Guys, this stuff is actually good. I've been using it. Even though I promoted it, I definitely recommend. It is so refreshing on my skin. Just love the smell of it. It smells so good. I'm gonna go in with the Dulce Glow Contour Self Tanning. I recently got this, and what was that? I don't know. It basically tans your face, like self tanning, obviously, like how you would do on your body, but this is for your face, and you can do like a contour. I'm not the best with contouring, but where you would usually contour your face, any suggestions would be very helpful down below, because I don't know what I'm doing and I don't know why it's spilling everywhere. No, what? I don't know. I don't know why it's spilling everywhere, but it doesn't usually happen. I don't do this every night. After I look crazy, I just blend it in with my contour wand and just have this blended of where I would usually have it when I do my makeup. I've already used this before and I absolutely love it. The first time I used it, I just don't know why it's getting everywhere. It's kind of weird, but I wake up feeling tan. Like I just came back from vacation, but even better because it's like contouring, whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna do eye mask on underneath my my eye. It's from Pixie. I love this one because it comes with like 50 patches. No, 60. So it lasts forever. Apparently someone said that you're supposed to put the eye mask like this, where the thick part is in the inner of your eye, but like, it just doesn't seem right. It was like a TikTok that I saw, and then everybody in the comments is like, I think it just reached the wrong audience. I feel like it really doesn't matter. I feel like a lot of eye patches that I get, there will be like a figure of a person, and the right way is usually the way that I have it on right now. So I think it's just an opinion based thing. I don't know. Comment down below which way you think I should wear it. Okay, now we got the eye patches on. We got whole skincare down. I'm gonna actually do my hair care routine now. I like to use the Hairstyle 8-Hour Magic Night Serum, and basically this like protects your hair while you're sleeping, because when you sleep your hair is always moving, because if you're moving, hair is moving, and it's creating friction on the pillowcase, so it's not good. So I just apply this on the hair, and it doesn't make it greasy. Like when I first saw people talking about it and they showed me consistency of this, I thought that for sure this was gonna make your hair greasy, and then I got it and it doesn't. My hair is so much more silky. I wake up, and as you guys know, I dyed my hair recently, and my hair has been growing so much. Like it was never this long. I got a haircut in October and it was this short, so I grew that much in that amount of time, which is still a long amount of time, but my hair never grows, and as you guys know, it never grows. So I'm just like so surprised. Anyways, after I brushed it, I don't even know how it just became straight. As you guys saw, I just applied 2 pumps on my hand, a lot. It soaks in, and then I just go in on one side of my hair, so I kind of split it in half, put it on this side, and then apply 1 pump because I already have enough on my hand, so if I put 2 pumps it's gonna be too much. And then I go ahead and put it on the other side of my hair. This stuff smells so good, and I'm just obsessed with it. Like I can't go without a night not using this, because I can definitely see a difference on my hair. A lot of people say that for some people it doesn't work, but for my hair it works, so don't take my advice because it is so expensive. Anyways, I'm like going on a whole rant about my hair. This is genuinely looking like a big mess, so we need to clean. For tomorrow at least, because I do have to get this video done, and I have not been uploading recently, so I just want to be on top of that, not wake up late tomorrow and then just do nothing for the rest of the day. That's how I kind of keep myself on track and motivated. It's basically just by planning. My number one advice is that if you're trying to like get back on track or try to be productive and stick to a routine, it's making a to-do list, or just like just a to-do list. I don't even know what to say. It just makes me feel like I actually have something to do, and makes me more motivated so that I can check it off at the end of the night. But everybody's different, so that might not work for you, but that's just what works for me because I like checking it off. I just use Notion when it comes to planning, and it's like a website. You can also have an app on your phone, but I'm just gonna do this really quick so that I don't end up doing this all night, because sometimes I can get really motivated at night and then I just end up doing this for the rest of the night, and then I can't fall asleep. That's just a routine and a very scary thing that can happen. Anyways, let's just do it. Vlog here because I literally don't know what else to vlog, and I'm gonna go to sleep soon. I don't know if we're gonna watch a movie or not, but we'll see. I'm so glad I vlogged today, and comment down below if you want more videos where I just vlog my day. I know it can be kind of repetitive sometimes because my day just goes like this almost every single day, so I don't know what to vlog sometimes. But stay tuned for some cleaning videos and maybe a house tour. I don't know if that's gonna be up before this one, but if it is up, go watch it. But anyways, I'm gonna get some sleep now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.